Happy morning. Welcome to Sri Vidya Bharati Metric Higher Secondary School, Sakravalayam. Welcome to our English channel. Today we are going to discuss about 11th standard unit 3 vocabulary definition of words. Students listen. What is meant by psychologist? Certain psychologists tell us that we forget things because we wish to forget them. Students, who is psychologist? One who studies the human mind and behavior is a psychologist. Once again, who is psychologist? One who studies the human mind and behavior is a psychologist. Yes, see. Pathologist studies languages and their structure. Ornithologist studies atmosphere, weather and climate. Entomologist studies the matter that constitutes the earth. Next one, archaeologist studies earthquake. Sociologist studies reptiles and amphibians. Geologist, it means nothing but studies functioning of human society. Very important and repeated question. Linguistic. Linguistic means nothing but studies artifact and physical remains. And seismologist, it means studies birds. Next, herpetologist means nothing but studies insects. And meteorologist studies disease. Meteorologist means nothing but studies disease. See students, definition of words. First one, sociologist. Definition, studies functioning of human society. Linguistic, already I told, studies languages and their structure. And herpetologist studies reptiles and amphibians. Anesthetist means nothing but students, doctor trained to administer anesthetic. And radiologist, one who treats the actions of the serum of the blood. Yes. Next one, students, geologist. Geologist means nothing but studies the matter that constitute the earth. And seismologist studies earthquake. Meteorologist studies atmosphere, weather and climate. Already you know very well, dentist, one who treats disease of the teeth. And the cartoonist, one who is skilled in drawing cartoons. Cartoonist means nothing but one who is skilled in drawing cartoons. Yes. Next one, fictionalist. Fictionist, one who promotes fiction. And materialist, a barrier. Taxonomist, one skilled in taxonomy. And agronomist, one well versed in agronomy. Versionist means a translator. Very important students. Versionist means nothing but a translator. And vocabulist, a lexicographer. Militarist, a military man. Emancipist, a freed convict. And mediocrist, a mediocre person. Pulmonologist, who specialize in lung problems. Pulmonologist means nothing but who specialize in lung problems. Then another important, dermatologist, who specialize in skin problem. And nephrologist treats kidney. Yes. And nephrologist means nothing but treats kidney. Next one, gastroenterologist treats stomach disorders. Next one, listen student, gastroenterologist treats stomach disorders. Next one, neonatalist means treats critical infants. treats critical infants, and otolaryngologist treats ear, nose and throat. Next, gynecologist treats disease specific to women. Neurologist already you know very well, treats nerves problem, treats nerve system. Yes. And ophthalmologist means nothing but treats vision problems. Ophthalmologist. Cardiologist treats heart problem. And sadist very important questions. One who derives pleasure from inflicting pain on others. One who derives pleasure from inflicting pain on others. Yes. Students, you know, thespian, very important, an actor or actress. And see, psychiatrist already I informed to you, one who studies human minds and behavior. Dear children, what is meant by polyglot? Very important and repeated question. This very important question. Polyglot means one who knows several languages. One who knows several languages. Philanthropist, one who promotes welfare of others by donating money. Philanthropist, what is meant by philanthropist? Tell me. One who promotes welfare of others by donating money. Next, bibliophile, one who collects or has a great love of books. Bibliography like that. Bibliography and bibliophile means nothing but students, one who collects or has a great love of books. Yes. Dear students, did you see the film? Boss Enkira Bhaskaran. Did you see the film? Yes. Teetotaler. One who abstains from alcohol. Teetotaler means nothing but one who abstains from alcohol. Yes. And one more important question for you. Optimist. Optimist is opposite to pessimist. Especially optimist is word meaning hope, believe, like that. Yes. Dear guys, optimist, one who is hopeful and confident of the future. One who is hopeful and confident of the future. And nationalist, one who believes in the superiority of one's nation. One who believes in the superiority of one's nation. Feminist, one who advocates equal rights for women. One who advocates equal rights for women. Amateur, one who participates in sports as a hobby rather than for money. Idealist, one who believes in the best possible concept. One who believes in the best possible concept. Absentee, one who fails to be present at work habitually. One who fails to be present at work habitually. Yes, thespian you know very well, an actor or actress. And ambidextrous, one who uses right and left hands equally well. One who uses right and left hands equally well. Misanthropy, one who dislikes human mind. One who dislikes human mind. And nonagenarian, one who is between 90 and 99 years old. One who is between 90 and 99 years old. Globetrotter, one who travels wildly. Patriot, one who loves one's country and wills to sacrifice for it. One who loves one country and wills to sacrifice for it. Egoist. Yes, students, what is meant by egoist? One who is concerned with one's own interest and welfare. One who is concerned with one's own interest and welfare. Critic. Yes, already know criticism. Yes. Critic means nothing but one who examines and judges something seriously. One who examines and judges something seriously. Barbarian, one who is uncultured and brutish. One who is uncultured and brutish. Heroism, one who has exceptional courage. Heroism, one who has exceptional courage. Students, what is meant by technology? The study of knowledge, the practical, especially in industrial use of discoveries. What is meant by technology? Tell me. The study of knowledge of the practical, especially in industrial use of discoveries. Okay. Students, ecology. Ecology, the study of relation between living organism and then earth environment. And cytology, the study of the dog training. Ornithology, the study of birds. Pathology, study of the essential nature of disease and the scientific study of disease. Pathology, study of the essential nature of disease and the scientific study of disease. Next, ichthyology, the study of fish. Next one, otology, the study of birds' eggs. The study of birds' eggs. Students, words ending with the ISM term. For example, optimism. Definition, hopeful feeling that all will turn out well. Nationalism, the doctrine that your country's interests are superior. Feminism, a doctrine that advocates equal rights for women. Amateurism, participating in sports as a hobby rather than for money. Idealism, belief that the best possible concept should be pursued. Absenteeism, habitual failure to the present at work. Dear students, absenteeism means nothing but habitual failure to be present at work. See? Patriotism, love of country, and ecocentrism, concern for your own interest and welfare. And criticism, a serious examination, judgment of something. Barbarism, a brutal, barbarous act. And heroism, exceptional courage, facing with danger. Okay. The same, very, very important. Phobia, mania, cyst and sight, ending of the words. Yes, for an example term, Anglophobia, I will tell the definition, fear of using English. Very, very important question, repeated here question, students. Anglophobia, Anglophobia, fear of using English. And hydrophobia, fear of water. H2O, keep it in your mind, fear of water. And claustrophobia, fear of enclosed space. Yes. And acrophobia, fear of heights. And xenophobia, an abnormal fear of strangers. Xenophobia means nothing but an abnormal fear of stranger. Dear guys, agoraphobia, keep it in mind. Already I told, yes, acrophobia, it means nothing but fear of heights. Now I will tell agoraphobia, it means a fear of being in public places where there are many other people. And kleptomania, a strong desire to steal. A strong desire to steal. Bibliomania, a craze for books. Keep it in your mind, Bible like that. Any one example, keep it in your mind. Bibliomania, a craze for books. And megalomania, yes, mental illness in which one has exaggerate belief in one's importance. And pyromania, a strong desire to set fire to things. Once again, a strong desire to set fire to things. And squandermania, squandermania, a craze to spend money wastefully. A craze to spend money wastefully. And tipsomania, a strong desire for alcoholic drinks. Suicide means killing of self, and homicide means killing of another person. Homicide means killing of another person. Genocide means killing of people. And patricide means killing of father. And matricide means killing of mother. Infanticide killing of an infant. And fratricide killing of brother. Regicide killing a member of a royal family. Insecticide something used to kill insects. And ornithologist, a scientist who studies birds. Entomologist, one who studies insect. Archaeologist, one who studies ancient cultures by analyzing the physical remains. Pathologist, one who studies disease. Musicologist, one who studies music. And paleontologist. Paleontologist means nothing but one who studies the fossils. Yes. And sinologist, one who studies China. Optimist, a person who is always hopeful. Pessimist, a person who sees the worst in all things. Teetotaler, a person who abstains from alcohol. Philanthropist, a person who performs charitable actions. And misanthropy, a person who dislikes mankind. Sadist, a person who feels happy by inflicting pain on others. And octogenarian, a person who is between 80 and 90 years. Polyglot, a person who speaks many languages. Hedonist, a person who goes in pursuit of pleasure. Misogynist, a person who hates women. Pugilist, very very important students. Pugilist, a person who is fond of fighting. Yes. Now see in your text page number 73. Listen students, already given. My brother buys a load of books at the books fair every year. He is a great lover of books and has a huge collection at home. He is bibliophile. Yes. See the option first. Should write the correct option here. What's the answer here? Yes, bibliophile. Yes. This is the one example. Book means bibliophile. Yes. And see the next one. Peter always refuses alcohol when it is offered to him at parties and takes a soft drink instead. He says he always has and always will abstain from alcohol, and it is a matter of principle for him. We can call Peter a dash, teetotaler. What's the answer students? Teetotaler. Arna always looks at the bright side of things, even in the face of misfortune. She firmly believes that everything will work out for the best in the end. What can we call Aruna? Answer students. Yes, optimist, because hope you know. Next one, the rich industrialist. The rich industrialist donated a huge sum of money to set off a public library in his native village. He is a dash and a social reformer. Answer students, philanthropist. Philanthropist. Okay, he is a philanthropist and a social reformer. Next one, the chairperson of our company keeps traveling all over the world to attend conferences, and we call her a dash. Yes, globetrotter. Globetrotter. Next one, Antony has an amazing ability. Antony has the amazing ability to use both his hands equally well. He can write, draw and perform various other tasks with equal speed and efficiency with his left as well as his right hand. Antony is ambidextrous. What's the answer students? Ambidextrous. Okay, see the next one. Yes, due to some distributing incidents in her childhood, need to grow into a recursive adult. She tends to keep aloof and avoids all kinds of social activities. Need to is a dash, misanthropy. And Dorney acts. Yes, next one. Dorney serves as interpreter at meetings between statesmen from different countries. She is also a much sought after tour guide, as he is well versed and fluent in multiple languages. Dorney is a dash polyglot. One who learned several languages known as polyglot. Okay. Next ones. My grandparents are in the year 90s. I am glad that this dash couple of active, cheerful and in good health. What's the answer, students? Yes. What's the answer? Nonogenarian. What's the answer? Nonogenarian. Next one. Richard Burton was a gifted theatre artist. He donned several roles with ease and is especially famous for the Shakespearean parts he played on stage. Mr. Burton is a born thespian. Yes. Next one. Last one, students. Yes. The chairman of this concern seems to derive pleasure from inflicting pain on others. He humiliates and hurts his subordinates for no reason. He is real sadist. Okay. Listen, students, very important. Write definition of words. Keep it in your mind and write one time. Yes. Next, this important 1 marks. Yes. Every year, even the public question also repeated questions. Both are words ending with ISM and right definition of words, IST, everything. Presented by K. Yasoda, PG Assistant in English, Sri Vidya Bharati Metric Higher Secondary School, Sakrampalayam. Thank you, students. Thank you to one and all.